I respect to the elders past, present and emerging. Celebrate the diversity of Aboriginal people and their ongoing culture and connections to the land and waters of ACT and New South Wales. আজিৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানটি আৰম্ভ কৰিব ভাষাগৰৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ যোগেৰে। Today's program will be led by Bhakhagar student with the Bihu anthem. So there is a program scheduled on your seat. If you flip it, the Bihu anthem is already written out there. Could you please take up your schedule and have a look on the back side? I would request everybody to sing along the Bhakhagar students to start the Bihu celebrations. Thank you very much. Look forward for your participation.